Hello and welcome to Just Be Handy. Today we're going to change out the battery in the Subaru remote. And tools that you should have on hand is a regular flathead screwdriver to open up the remote. There's a nice little slot right here to do so. And a CR1620 battery. I like to get the Sony battery that's made in Japan. And also, I sometimes like to measure the battery voltage just to see how much the old battery depleted versus the new battery. One of the first things you would need to do for this Subaru remote is to look for this slot right here. You would want to put your screwdriver in this slot and hold it firmly, and then give it a good twist. And then it cracks it open, and then just go around and get that opened up like that, and then the small module inside with the battery comes out. Now the reason it's good to have these screwdrivers around is because now you have a gasketed seal with these little tabs. You want to just get that going, keep that up, and get those little tabs up so that you could open up the inside here and get at the battery. And just do it nice and careful, just slightly prying up and moving it. Otherwise you could break the tabs off. And here's the old battery, and you could just remove it. And looks like they used the Sony same type of battery. Okay, and then when you need to put this battery back, you would put it kind of like you found it, where this was down. Okay, and then close it up. You can see the reference there. Make sure that the gasket is sitting well all around as also. Just make sure it's sealing. All of these are down to go in. Okay. There, make sure these buttons are showing through, and then make sure you give it a good snap and that it's seating all in. There we go. And you're done. That's all it takes to change the batteries out for your Subaru key. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you found this helpful. Thank you.